sa airport. Papunta po tayo ng Katiklan Airport. Yan po tayo sasakay.
Yes.
The time now is 34 minutes past the hour of 4 in the afternoon. For your safety, please remain seated until the seatbelt sign is switched off. Be careful when opening the overhead compartments and please ensure that you have all your personal belongings with you before leaving the aircraft. It was a pleasure having you aboard and we look forward to serving you again soon. On behalf of AirAsia, Captain Eric Henrino, First Officer Carmela Barton, and the rest of the crew members, we would like to say thank you for flying with us. For passengers traveling with infants and were given infant life vests, please return them to the cabin compartment. Thank you.
So ayun guys, dumating na kami dito sa Katiklan, Boracay. So papunta na kami sa hotel na. Sasakay para kami ng isang electric tricycle. So guys, nandito na kami ngayon sa aming hotel at magsasayang kami check-in. So guys, ito na yung aming hotel. Makikita nyo, napakaganda at napakalinis, simple-simple. At sa bintana, pag binuksan mo, mayroong swimming pool sa labas. Pinili namin to para hindi na kami lalayo sa pagpupunta ng swimming pool. Malapit lang paglabas na. So pupunta muna tayo doon sa Boracay Beach dahil unang gabi na natin. Kailangan sulitin natin, hindi na pwedeng magpahinga. So ito, pupunta na tayo sa silipin ng Boracay Beach. Ayan na po yung Boracay Beach. Wala siyang masyadong naliligo dahil ipinagbabawal maligo pagdating ng alas 7 ng gabi. So dahil nagugutom tayo, mag-ikot-ikot lang muna tayo at napunta tayo maghanap ng seafood. So nandito tayo napunta, may